Your time is over, Prime. You failed. You turned your back on Cybertron. Now you will watch Earth die. I have doomed Earth. Earth, the only place in the universe whose people let me call it home.
Only you can make it right, Prime. Can't do it without you. One moment, that's all we got. It's up to you, Prime. Without you, we all die.